Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to convert an image or images to PDF file. Here are our 3 images. Let's convert them to PDF. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Go to any browser, type image to PDF, go to the site, select your images, and here are some settings. But you can leave it as it is. And also, you can rotate the page here. And finally, convert to PDF. Our PDF is ready to download. Download it. You can find it by clicking the Show in folder. And here it is. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Bye bye for now.